So here we have a Sunbelt Rentals mini generator with, I believe, a John Deere twin cylinder. It looks a lot like a Caterpillar, but I think it's a John Deere. If you open this up, see you got that lever. Here we have the John Deere twin cylinder. We have the exhaust right there. And then right here, we have the John Deere logo. This is one of John Deere's new twin cylinders. There's the fuel pump. It is a big diesel. The alternator. So, yeah. And then you got some oil, gas, and different kinds of tools, and then the big diesel tank. Not really much. Yes. We could try and open this side. I don't really know if this side's any different. Sorry. Here we have the air intake from out right there. Oil filters. Oh, sorry. We have two 197 hours. And then another John Deere thing down there. That's a starter. And then all that. The air tank. Lock that up. I think right here is the air intake. No, actually it was over there. Let's go ahead and shut this. Okay, so that's locked up. There's the exhaust. So this was the Sunbelt portable generator. Well, maybe not portable. Hook this up to back of your van, truck, whatever you got. See, there's reflectors. Well, pretty cool engine. And I guess down back there was the actual motor that generates stuff. A lot of times these will just run big lamps, but I think in this case they're running just power tools. Here. Well, this is your control panel right here. So here we got 23,000 miles, or 23,000 hours, fuel, everything else. Oh, it looks like an air pressure and such. All that stuff. Sunbelt. Sticker's kind of gone. Close that. Is there anything else? Nope. Was there really it? I would really love to have one of these for myself. They're so cool. This was the end of my kind of review or look over of the Sunbelt portable generator. And see you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and comment if I missed anything, or comment like the engine kind, or something helpful. Bye.